Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's June 9th, 2018, and I'm out in the Eastern Garden Zone, which will be doing more work out here today. Yesterday I had some interruptions in gardening. I had to do some repairs, big leak in the reef tank, and got that set, so I'm back over here. But yesterday Thea was able to get a lot of the transplants in the ground, so we got 2 beds of broccoli, 1 bed of cauliflower, and 2 beds of red cabbage as well. So I'm pretty excited that we got that done. I came through and gave her a hand in the afternoon, well, late morning before things got too hot. Currently it's, what is it? It's, I think, 56 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's going to get up to 77 degrees Fahrenheit today, which is a pretty decent morning. The winds are calm. It's too bad I wasn't laying weed mats today. We're going to continue over here in the Eastern Garden Zone, so I'm going to be going over there. So I'll head over there right now and show you what we're going to do. Okay, so I'm over here. This is the area that we grew the blue potatoes in last year. A lot of calendula. This is the place that I got a lot of the transplants out of last year. To orient you, here's one of the permanent raised rumble wall block beds, the handicap beds, one here and one over there. The totes we're not going to be using this year. I'm going to use the soil in some other beds, and there'll be future videos about that, how that's going to work. Strawberries have been doing just great so far, so I'm really happy with how well they've been doing. And we got a few lots of flowers, and a few of the strawberries are doing well. Here we are. One second, sorry about this. Here's a rain gutter bed here, and we've been harvesting lettuce and spinach out of there. Some of the spinach is going to bolt, but because it's been cool, we'll be planting more spinach here as well. I may let some of that go to seed. Just made some smoothies with lots of greens this morning. This is the bed here that we took the bindweed out of, and it looks pretty good so far. No signs of the bindweed. We're going to be planting in this bed either today or tomorrow, depending on how much work we get done. And I'm going to go up here. So this is one of our cattle panel hoop trellises. And last year we grew squash and melons all along this margin and on the other margin on the opposite side. And we let all the kale go to seed, and I harvested the seed. Because there's such a reduction in the number of bees around this year and pollinators, I am going to go ahead and take out the kale now. There aren't that many pollinators working with the kale, so I'm going to take that out. That's going to go over to the pond 5, the pond that we're patching, and the ducks can munch on this, and this can turn into more organic material to hopefully help further seal that pond. So this is an area we're going to be working on today. And even this bed, which may come out later on this season if I get enough work done. So Thea's going to be working with me today. This is towards the end of her vacation, which is kind of sad. She really enjoys being out here on these beautiful days, working out here with me. And so we'll be working on that bed, these beds here. I don't know just how much we'll get done. We're both pretty sore. I got pretty contorted working underneath the aquarium system there yesterday, but and was pretty sore in the afternoon. But today I'm feeling better, so we'll see how much stuff we get done. Let's get started. So all said and done, I'm pretty happy with how much we got done. Fortunately, I think it just got to about 77 degrees. No breeze, but it was manageable. We had a lot of cloud cover, which kept us fairly cool today, so it wasn't too bad at all. So tomorrow we'll be back at it. Thea's vacation's over now, so she's got tomorrow and Monday we can get some things done here, and hopefully we can make a big dent on getting these transplants in the ground. So if you thought this was value, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed in the past. Hit the bell icon if you want to be notified with updates and how things are progressing around here week by week, day by day. And by all means, folks, thanks for watching and have a fantastic day. Bye-bye now.